Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 event, whispers about a surprise Mac Mini announcement are creating a buzz. Sources suggest that Apple might be ready to introduce a dramatically redesigned Mac Mini, equipped with a powerful M4 chip. This new chip, first seen in the iPad Pro, has already demonstrated impressive capabilities. Now, Apple appears poised to unleash its full potential in the Mac Mini, aiming to set a new standard in compact desktop computing. The power behind the M4 chip. The M4 chip, initially launched in the iPad Pro, has been lauded for its robust performance. When integrated into the Mac Mini, this chip is expected to elevate the device to new heights. The integration promises a notable boost in performance, efficiency, and features, making the Mac Mini a formidable player in the desktop market. The Mac Mini, powered by the M4 chip, is rumored to provide a user experience that blends power with portability seamlessly. This compact device, equipped with the M4, is designed to offer more processing power, faster graphics, and superior multitasking capabilities. These enhancements are especially appealing to professionals who rely on resource-heavy applications and creative workflows. Performance and efficiency upgrades. The M4 chip's rumored power boost means that the new Mac Mini could offer unprecedented processing speed, potentially outperforming its predecessors and many of its competitors. Users can expect accelerated graphics rendering, making it a prime choice for graphic designers, video editors, and other creative professionals who require high-performance computing power. Additionally, the M4 chip's architecture is said to be optimized for energy efficiency. This improvement will likely translate to lower power consumption, reduced heat generation, and quieter operation. Such enhancements are critical for those who use their Mac Mini for extended periods or in environments where noise can be disruptive. The M4-powered Mac Mini is expected to deliver a smooth, reliable, and efficient user experience, setting it apart from earlier models. Design and connectivity, a compact powerhouse. Leaked details indicate that the new Mac Mini will undergo a significant redesign, resulting in a smaller, more compact form factor. This size reduction makes the Mac Mini an even more convenient option for users who need a powerful desktop solution that doesn't take up much space. Despite its reduced size, the new design doesn't compromise on functionality or connectivity. The M4 Mac Mini is rumored to come equipped with 3 Thunderbolt ports, expanding its connectivity options and making it easier for users to connect multiple peripherals. These high-speed ports will cater to the needs of professionals who rely on fast data transfer and multiple display setups. Another exciting rumor is that the new Mac Mini will support up to 3 external displays. This capability makes it a versatile tool for multitaskers and creative professionals who need multiple screens for their work. Affordability meets high performance. One of the most compelling aspects of the M4 Mac Mini is its rumored price point. At an expected $499, this model offers a high-performance computing experience at a cost that's accessible to a broad audience. Apple's strategy with the M4 Mac Mini seems clear: deliver a product that combines powerful performance with affordability without compromising on quality or design. Potential impact on the market. If these rumors hold true, the M4 Mac Mini could significantly impact the desktop computing landscape. Its combination of powerful performance, compact design, and competitive pricing positions it as a strong contender in the market. Moreover, by integrating the M4 chip into the Mac Mini, Apple demonstrates its commitment to advancing its hardware capabilities and pushing the boundaries of what compact desktops can achieve. Preparing for the future of desktop computing, as Apple gears up for its next product announcements, the tech world is watching closely. For those who rely on their computers for demanding tasks, the M4 Mac Mini promises to deliver the power needed to handle everything from complex video editing to 3D rendering. At the same time, its small size and quiet operation make it suitable for everyday use in home offices, studios, and even shared workspaces. Conclusion: a new era for the Mac Mini. The rumored M4 Mac Mini is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of desktop computing. As we await Apple's official announcement, the excitement continues to build. The M4 Mac Mini's potential to deliver high performance in a small package, along with enhanced connectivity and support for multiple displays, makes it a highly anticipated addition to Apple's product lineup. Stay tuned for more updates and be ready to experience the future of desktop computing with the M4 Mac Mini.